is the increasing tensions between the North and the South based on westward expansion. And the reason that the tension increases is over the issue of slavery. In the Northwest, as people move to the West, they're going to want to have what's called free soil, or they want to keep the slaves away from that territory, not for any other reason that if slaves are allowed into the territory, plantations are going to come in and buy up all the land. And in the South, they're very concerned with making sure that there is an expansion of slavery into the West so that the slave system doesn't go away. Now, before we go too far with this, I also want to mention that westward expansion had an adverse impact on the African Americans themselves, the slaves, because as slavery expanded to the West, the plantation owners were taking slaves with them as well. Now, this has a couple of impacts. The first is that families on plantations, when a plantation owner left, were often broken up. And this is one of the tragedies of slavery. Outside of the physical torment is the emotional torment of slavery. As fathers are ripped away from children, as mothers are ripped away from children, as husbands and wives are torn apart. Westward expansion broke up the families and the cultural bonds in that trek to the West. So we can look at this politically, but I don't want to forget the human cost that westward expansion had on slaves as well.